Hi everybody, this is Ryan McCoy with the Real McCoy Group of Coldwell Banker. Today we're going to be talking about one of the most popular resort-style communities around here, and that's Bishop's Landing, located in Millville, Delaware. What you're going to love about Bishop's Landing is the location is really close to Bethany Beach. They have amazing amenities there, and the homes there feel like you're living in a luxury lifestyle. Come on and let's take a tour of Bishop's Landing. Welcome to Bishop's Landing. This is a thoughtfully planned residential community, mostly developed by Beezer Homes. You're going to love this community because it's a mix of single-family homes and also coastal villas that really give you the luxury lifestyle here at the beach. One of the first things you'll notice driving through Bishop's Landing is just how well maintained everything is. The streets are lined with sidewalks, landscaping is beautifully kept. There's numerous ponds, preserved green spaces, mature trees, and walking paths to create a peaceful atmosphere throughout the neighborhood. Unlike many beach communities where homes feel tightly packed together, Bishop's Landing has an open, spacious feel with water views and natural scenery around nearly every corner. Now we're at the heart of Bishop's Landing, the Amenity Center. Behind me you have an Olympic-sized swimming pool, which is great for your friends and family. All your guests can come and join you. You have the Clubhouse to my left, which features a catering kitchen, the meeting rooms, you have a yoga studio, you have the fitness center, everything that you can imagine. To my right, you have pickleball and tennis courts. You have a playground behind me. And throughout the community, you'll have basketball courts, bocce ball courts. You also have a dog park. This is one of the many Beach Shuttle locations throughout the community. The Beach Shuttle runs you right into downtown Bethany. There's multiple stops throughout the community, and it runs during the summer. It's a great convenience to have if you don't want to drive and try to find parking, or if you have a bunch of family members that all just want to hop on the shuttle and we can all go down to the beach. It's such a good spot to be. Now let's talk about the location of Bishop's Landing. You're right in the heart of Millville, which is just outside of Ocean View, and you're only 10 minutes from downtown Bethany or Fenwick, and Rehoboth is only about 30 minutes away. You're in a quiet neighborhood which is away from heavy beach traffic, but you're still close to all your necessities, including pharmacies, restaurants, grocery stores, and golf courses, because everybody needs to golf. A couple of other amenities that are close by are James Farm Ecological Preserve, Delaware Seashore State Park, which features Fresh Pond, one of my favorite places to walk, and Holt's Landing State Park, which you can drop in a kayak or a paddleboard, but they also have a public boat ramp. They have a pier if you want to go fishing or crabbing, and there's some hiking trails around. Now I want to talk about some of the homes in this community. This community features a lot of different homes. You have coastal villas, and you also have some single-family homes. They range in about 1,700 square feet to homes that are this size, which are 3,300 square feet. This home features a nice pond front lot, an expansive kitchen with granite countertops, and a lot of space for all of your friends and family to join you. There are also some great options if you're trying to downsize. We have a lot of homes with first floor primaries. We have single family homes that are your standard 3-bed, 2-bath with a first floor primary ranch style, about 1,700 square feet. So there's a lot of different homes in this community that feature a lot of buyers with different lifestyles. Whatever you're looking for here in Bishop's Landing, they probably have it. Thank you for joining me on the tour today of Bishop's Landing. It's been great to tour the community with you all. And if you have any questions about buying here at the beach, whether it's in Bethany, Fenwick, Millville, or Ocean View, give us a call.